Okay, now we will start the second part of conformal transformations, which includes translation, rotation, magnification, inversion, and reflections. Actually, when we transform a function with conformal transformations, then these key words, translation, rotation, magnification, inversion, and reflections are freely used for the conformal transformations. Okay, transformation means you must know for in our earlier classes in SSC and ACC level, you must know about transformation. These two types of transformation. One is vertical transformations and other is horizontal transformations. When we are given any function y equal to x square, horizontal means actually you must know x-axis, and vertical means what? Y-axis. Vertical means y-axis and horizontal means x-axis. But if we move this curve, actually the intersection point, this point in horizontal axis, -3, this is the only 4 and this is the 0. But this y equal to x square curve can be transformed to y equal to x minus 4 whole square in horizontally, or y equal to x plus 3, okay, whole square, this curve. Then you can this is the actually called horizontal translations. Move of all x coordinates 3 units. Okay, similarly vertical translation will be also like this. Just in y, along y axis we can translate the whole y equal to x square, y equal to x square. When y equal to x square, then y equal to x square plus 3. This is the in positive 3. Move y coordinates 3 units. Move y coordinates 3 units. Then we can draw another curve moving along negative of y axis. That means x equals to -5. That means this is the curve of what? Actually y equal to x square minus 5. Actually the movement of this, of the origin of a curve, can be translated to another point along vertically or horizontally. Actually this is called translation. Now combination of translation, we can combinedly translate along x-axis and along y-axis like this. This is very easy example for intermediate level. And this is the curve of y equals to x plus 4 whole square minus 1. That means x equals to what? -4. X equals to -4 here. And also y coordinate can be moved to what? Move to 5 units along y vertically. This is the vertically. And this is the actually horizontally along x-axis horizontally. Okay, so we move the point 3, 1. Now the transformations, there are different types of transformations. One is translation, dilation, reflection, rotation, etc. We'll study about this. Actually translation you must know along y-axis or along x-axis, vertically or horizontally. And to study the transformations, the what is actually rotations? This is the geometrical interpretation of rotations. Rotation, just angle will be rotate. Okay, center of rotation, center will be rotated. This is the description, and this is the reflection. This is the image of this. Okay, this is the actual measurement, but this is the image. A is the B is the image of A. Okay, this is the reflection. Similarly, translation will be this is the A and this is the B. Translated translation of 5 to the right and 4 down. Okay, this is the translations along vertically maybe or horizontally. Describing enlargement. Enlargement means magnification. Okay, magnification. Similarly, this is the geometrical interpretation. A rotation like this also. This is the just rotate through an angle. Okay, and reflection will be like this. This is the image of reflection, and this is also translation. Okay, translation may occurs along vertically or horizontally. This is actually geometrical interpretation of this. Translation this, and reflection will be also this. Enlargement or magnification. Magnification, you must magnifying glass. We use actually using these properties. Rotation also. This is actually geometrical interpretation of actually in mathematical notation. We can different types of different types of linear transformations here. First one is identity transformation, translation, rotation. This is actually mathematical notation for this. Stretching or scaling, contraction. Okay. For identity, condition will be a equals to 1 and b equals to 0, and definition will be, this is the identity transformation. W equals to f of z equals to z. Z is the actually complex number, and f of z will be what? Complex function. And this is the W plane. Remember it. W plane. We have saw it actually in our previous class. Translation for a equals to 1, when w equals to f of z in W plane, z plus b. This is the actually definition of translation. A rotation will be actually, we have to consider the polar form of complex function. W plane, w equals to f of z equals to e to the power I theta dot z. Okay, this is the when a equals to e to the power I theta. This will be the rotation. The scratching will be or scaling will be az, w equal to az, and contraction will be also az. But there is a condition, a lies between 0 and 1, and b equals to 0. And in stretching, a is greater than 1, b equals to 0. This is the actually conditions and definition for different types of linear transformations. Now linear transformation preserves circle. That means a circle in a z plane under linear transformation maps to a circle in a w plane. That means in z plane there will be a circle, and in w plane also will be a circle. So inversion and reflection transformation, inversion and reflection. Definition, what will be? Definition of inversion will be w equals to 1 by z, where z will be not equal to 0. This is the actual inversion formula for linear transformation. Circles are invariant under inversion. Circle, if we transform the circle to or in inversion format, then we will get the original circle. Straight lines in the limiting cases map to circle. All straight lines will at a limiting cases will term as a circles through origin in W plane. Actually, now what will be the translation? In theoretically, translation equals to W equal to Z plus C. This is the definition. And C equals to complex number A plus IB, any complex number. Okay. W equal to Z plus C. If U equals to IB is the in W plane, U plus IB equals to what was? X plus IY plus AI plus IB. That means U equal to X plus A and B equals to Y plus B. Just equating on both sides. If X equals to U minus A and Y equals to B minus B, on substituting these values of X, Y in the equation of the curve to that can be transformed, and we get the equation of the image in the W plane. Okay. So actually ABCD is the here. This is the actually in Z plane. Okay. Let us consider P be any point. P be any point in Z plane is mapped onto the point P dash X plus A Y plus B after transformation. U equals to what? X plus A, and B equals to what? Y plus B. This is why another point P. P transformed to another point. That means this is called actually translation on the W plane. Remember it. This is the W plane. Real axis U and imaginary axis B. And this is the Z plane. Real axis will be X and imaginary axis Y. Just look like before example. previous example. Similar other points z plane are mapped onto w plane. Thus if w plane is superimposed on the z plane, the figure of w plane is shifted through the vector c. Actually who is the origin here, and a b c d, this shape, original shape, and this transform to what, a dash, b dash, c dash, and d dash. In other words, the translation is mere translation to the axis, transform to axis. Hi. Now the rotation w equals to, in w plane, w equals to z into e to the power I theta. This is the actually polar form of complex number e to the power I theta. The figure in z plane rotates through angle theta in anti-clockwise in w plane. That means opposite to clockwise. For example, this is the actually definition, simple one line. W equals to z into e to the power I theta is the definition of rotation. In jet plane rotates through an angle theta in anti-clockwise. Remember it. Now there is an example. Consider the transformation w equal to z into e to the power I pi divided by 4 and determine the region r dash in w plane corresponding to the triangular region r bounded by the lines x equals to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to n, x plus y equal to 1 in z plane. Actually this is the measurement of z plane. Now we are given, according to the definition of rotation, w equal to z into e to the power I theta, but we are given the transformation w equal to z into e to the power I phi by 4. We must know z is the complex number and this will be x plus iy. Z equals to x plus iy, and e to the power I theta formula what, cos theta plus I sin theta, polar form of complex number. E to the power I theta formula what, cos theta plus I sin theta, but here theta equals to what, pi by 4. So w equals to, you must know, in w plane complex complex number transform to what, u plus ib. Now this equals to cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree means 1 by root over 2, and sin 45 degree also same, 1 by root over 2. So after calculation we get x plus iy into 1 plus I divided by root over 2, but 1 by root over 2 is the constant term. This is why taking common this and multiply x plus iy into 1 plus I. After multiplication this we get, and x minus y is the real part, and I into x plus y is the imaginary part. Now equating on real part and imaginary part on both sides, we get the value of u and b. U equals to what, real part, okay, and b equals to what, imaginary part, x plus y. Now we have to put the values of z plane. Z plane values what, x equals to 0. When x equals to 0, u equals to this and b equals to this one, okay, just putting here. Now if y equals to 0, then u equals to this and b equals to 1 by root over 2 into x. That means b equals to u. B equals to u, same. And here b equals to minus u. So putting x plus y equals to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1, we get b equals to 1 over root over 2. X plus y equals to what? Just putting values. Putting values here, x and y. We get b equals to only root over 1 by root over 2. Only root over 2. X plus y equals to what? 1. To what will be? 1 by root over 2. Now in z plane, x equals to, in z plane, x equals to what? 0 and y equals to 0 and x plus y equals to 1. These three curve in z plane. Okay, this is the y equals to 0 curve, x-axis equation of x-axis, and x equals to 0 will be what? Equation of y-axis, and x plus y curve will be this. Okay, a point what will be 1 comma 0 and b will be 0 comma 1. This is the actually z plane, and again putting the value of w plane, we get this one. If x equals to 0, y equals to minus 1 by root over 2 into y, b equals to 1 over 1 by root over 2 into y. U and b are equal in opposite sets, opposite sign. When we put y equals to 0, u equals to 1 over 1 by root over 2 into x, b equals to 1 by root over 2 into x. U and b equal. Again, putting x plus y equals to 1 in equation 1, we get b equals to 1 by root over 2. This one, b equals to 1 by root over 2 into 1, x plus y equals to 1. Now plotting this in that plane, we get x equals to, this is the y equals to 0 equation of x-axis, and this is the x equals to 0 equation of y-axis. Okay, and x plus y equals to 1, this is the straight line AB. Now this is the shape of z plane. Now if we plot w plane, u equals to b, this is the actually equation of a straight line passing through the origin. Okay, y equal to mx types equation, and this is also y equal to mx types equation, but in the imaginary axis or negative part of a horizontal. Has the triangular region OAB in jet plane is mapped to on a triangular region O dash C D dash, okay, in W plane, which is bounded by the lines b equal to u, b equals to minus u, and b equals to 1 by root over 2. These three equation makes this plane, W plane. Now f dash z equals to what? 1 by root over 2, 1 plus y. Where f z equals to what? 1 by root over 2, x minus y plus I into x plus y. Just differentiation of this, we get f dash z equals to 1 by root over 2, 1 plus I. Differentiation with respect to x, we get f dash z. Now amplitudes, what will be? Amplitudes of f dash z, real part what? Real part 1, and imaginary part what? 1 into I. That means imaginary part will be 1. So tan inverse y divided by x equals to what? Tan inverse 1 divided by 1. That means tan inverse 1. So this will be the 45 degree. So amplitudes will be 45 degree. The mapping w equals to z into e to the power I pi by 4 performs a rotation of r through an angle what? 45 degree. That means pi by 4. Now the magnification in w plane, w equals to cz, c into z, where c is the real quantity. That means real number. The figure in w plane is magnified c times the size of the figure in z plane. In z plane we will get a shape, but in w plane this will be c times magnified.
C times টা কি স্যার?
c multiplied, c times means c multiplied c, মানে c গুণ বৃদ্ধি পাবে আর কি, ইংলিশ বুঝো না, c times. Both figure in z plane and w plane are say similar. That will be similar, but will be magnified. Now, for example, 6, determine the region in W plane on the transformation of rectangular region enclosed by x equals to 1, y equals to 1, x equals to 2, and y equals to 2 in the z plane. The transformation is W equals to 3z. Okay, this is the actually enlargements or what? Magnification. Remember it. Function will be in W plane, W equals to 3z. W equal to can be written as u plus ib, and 3 into z equals to what? X plus iy, complex number. Now equating real and imaginary part, u equals to what? Thrice x, and b equals to what? Only thrice y. So in z plane, we can find out the value of x and y, and in w plane, u equal to thrice x and b equals to what? Thrice y. Value of x, y are given. X equals to 1, x equals to 1, y equals to 1. X equals to what? 1. And y equals to what? 1. Again, x equals to 2, y equals to what? 2. Now putting these values, putting x equals to 1, we get this. Okay, putting y equals to 1, we get this one. Remember it. Now putting x equals to 2, we get 6. 3 into 6. Now putting y equals to 2, we get 3 into 2, 6. Now plotting jet plane for individual value of x, y. X equals to 1, and here y equals to 1. Okay. we get this line and this straight line. X equals to 1 will be the parallel to the y-axis, imaginary axis, and and if y equals to 1, parallel to the x-axis, okay, or parallel to the real axis. We get these types of straight line. Again, for x equals to 2, we get x equals to 2 this straight line, and for y equals to 2, we get again the parallel to the x-axis. Then we get ABCD region, ABCD region. Okay. Again, plotting UB in W plane. If U equals to 3, if U equals to 3, we get this straight line. Okay. Parallel to what? B axis. Parallel to B axis. Again, if B equals to 3, we get parallel to the U axis in W plane. Okay, we get this. Again, if U equals to 6, U equals to 6 means this straight line parallel to the B axis in W plane. And if B equals to 6, then we get parallel to the U axis in W plane. Then we get another region EFCS. EFZS, this will be Z. Okay, EFZS. So this is actually magnifying. Okay, this is the smaller size and this is the big size, but same shape. Okay, similar shape, not same, similar shape. This is the shape of Z plane and this is the shape of W plane, and it is called the example of magnification. Now magnification and rotation, where W equal to C into Z. Okay, where C, Z, W all are complex numbers. C equals to C can be written as in polar form A into e to the power I alpha, Z equals to R into e to the power I theta.
রেকর্ডিং গুলো কি স্যার রেকর্ডিং গুলো কি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে দিবেন?
হ্যাঁ, তুমি তো রেকর্ডিং গুলো বলছিলাম না তোমাদেরকে। তাহলে this C equals to A into A to the power I alpha. C is the complex number in polar form. We have written C Z W in polar form. A into e to the power I alpha and Z equals to R into e to the power I theta, and W equals to R into real part e to the power I pi. Okay, R into e to the power I, capital R. Now putting these values in equation 1, just putting these values, we can write R into e to the power I theta plus alpha. Okay, power will be added when we take when there will be same base, power will be added. Now capital R equals to R can be written as only AR, and angle will be what? Theta plus alpha. Phi equals to theta plus alpha. Thus we see that the transformation W in equal to C into Z corresponds to a rotation. Rotation means what? Angle rotation together with magnification. This is the definition of what? Magnification. And this is the rotation. Okay, that means rotation and magnification happening together. So algebraically W equal to CZ, and W equals to what? U plus IB in W plane, and CZ, Z can be written as X plus IY. C is also complex number A plus IB. Okay, now U can be U plus IB can be written as just multiplication A into this plus IB into this. We can write AX minus BY plus I into AY minus AY plus BX, where I square equal to minus 1. I square into BY. That means only minus BY. Okay. So equating real and imaginary part, here real part what? X minus BY. That means U equals to this. And this is the imaginary part, AY plus BX. This B equals to AY plus BX. On solving these equations, we can get the values of XY. Just put solving U and B for XY. Okay. X will be equal to this, Y equal to will be this. And this is actually geometric shape in jet plane. The shape will be ABCD. We have seen earlier. Now on putting the values of X and Y, the equation of the curve to be transformed to get the equation of the image. This image will be transformed to this A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, this is actually theory for magnification and rotation, and geometrical shape will be this, and this is also geometrical interpretation. Now with example we will understand it better. Find the image of the triangle with vertices at I 1 plus I 1 minus I in the z plane under the transformation this and this. Okay. Now for the first one, w equals to what? 3z plus 4 minus twice I. 3z plus 4 minus twice I. But in w plane we can write u plus ib. Okay. And in z plane x plus iy. X plus iy. 3 into x plus iy plus 4 minus twice I. And equating real and imaginary part, u equals to what will be 3 into, just alternating thrice x plus 4. Okay. Real part. And 3 into iy minus twice I. That means taking I common, we get 3y minus 2 will be the imaginary part. So e equals to this and b equals to this from this. Now substituting in table values of x for individual value of xy, we get the value of u and b. X, y, first column x, second column y, and u equals to this one, 3 thrice x plus 4, and b equals to thrice y minus 2. For individual value of x, y, x equals to when 0 and y equals to 1. First complex number I can be written as 0 plus 1, 0 into x plus 0 plus I can be written as I equals to what? 0 plus I. Okay. I can be written as 0 plus I. Here, where real part x equals to 0 and imaginary part 1. Similarly, for the second complex number, 1 is the real part x and imaginary part what? Also 1. In the third complex number, real part what? X equals to 1 and imaginary part what? Minus 1. Okay. For individual value of xy, this putting x equals to 0, we get what? 4. And putting y equals to 1, we get b equals to 1. Now putting x equals to 1, u equals to what? 7. And putting y equals to 1 in b, we get b equals to 1. Okay. Now again, if x equals to 1, then y u equals to what will be? 3 into 1 plus 4, that means 7. If y equals to minus 1, then b equals to what will be? Minus 6. Sorry, minus 3, minus 2, that means minus 5. Okay. Now we can plot these values of x, y, and for z plane and ub for w plane. That means plotting these values, we get the size of objects will be ABC. Okay. ABC. This is the triangle actually. 0, 1. 0, 1 means what? X equals to 0, y equals to what? 1. A point. And B point what? 1, 1. X equals to 1, y equals to 1. That means B point. And C point what will be? X equals to 1, x equals to 1, y equals to what will be? Minus 1, minus 1 in negative part of imaginary axis. Then joining this, we get a triangle. ABC is the triangle of Z plane. Now we can plot this UB in W plane. U equals to what? 4 and B equals to what? 1. U equals to, this is the U, horizontal axis or real axis of W plane, and B will be the imaginary axis of W plane. This. When U equals to 4, then B equals to what? 1. U equals to 4. Okay. B equals to what? 1. Then this is the point 4, 1. A dash. Okay. Similarly, if U equals to 7, U equals to 7, this. Okay. And B equals to what? Also 1. This is the 1. Okay. We can, this is the B dash 7, 1. Value of U 7 and value of B 1. B equals to 1. Now again another point 7. U equals to what? 7. 1, 2, 3 up to 7. And B equals to what? Minus 5. That means in negative part of imaginary axis of W plane. That means 5. This is the 5 and this is the point C point. U equals to 7 here and B equals to what? Minus 5. Now joining, we get another magnified triangle. Okay. Very large than this. Okay. then the ABC. So we get another new triangle A dash, B dash, and C dash in W plane. Remember it. In Z plane, this is the real objects, and this is the image of this object. Okay, and this is magnified also, magnified one, and also rotated also. So the second part, in the second part, W equal to e to the power 5 pi I divided by 3 into Z minus 2 plus 4i. This is given in the second part of question. In W plane, we can write u plus ib equals to, this is the actually polar form of complex number. E to the power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta, where theta equals to 5 pi divided by 3. Okay, Z equals to what? X plus iy minus 2 plus 4i. This. Now, cos 5 pi by 3 what? Cos 60 degree. Pi equals to 180 degree, 180. Then after calculation, we get only half. Sin 5 pi by 3 equals to what will be root 3 by 2. X plus iy minus 2 plus 4y. Just multiplying this, half multiply x what? X by 2. Half multiply iy, this. Okay. Half multiply minus 2 what? Only 1. Okay. So we get this one, and this is the real part, and this is the imaginary part. So u equals to what will be? Real part, and b equals to imaginary part. Similarly, for this is the z plane and x coordinate, and this is the y coordinate in z plane, and u equals to this one, and b equals to this one. Just putting x equals to 0, we get u equals to the x equals to 0 and y equals to 1. We get u equals to this, putting here. Similarly, putting x equals to 0, y equals to 1 in b equals to this, we get 9 by 2. Okay, x equals to 0 means this will be 0, and 1 will be 1 by 2 plus 4 what? 9 by 2. So for the second point, x equals to 1 and y equals to 1, putting here u equals to minus 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, just putting here, we get this value of u. Similarly, putting x equals to 1, y equals to 1 in b, we get minus root 3 divided by 2 plus 9 by 2. And third point, if x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1, then we get u equals to what? Minus 3 by 2 minus root over 3 by 2. And putting x equals to 1, y equals to minus 1 in this b. Okay, b equals to what will be? Minus root 3 divided by 2 plus 7 by 2. Actually, this is the coordinate for the second part for this one. Okay, we found the image and triangle of the vertices. Now inversion and reflection, W equals to 1 by Z. This indicates the actually inversion. Okay, now where if Z equals to R into e to the power I theta, Z is the complex number, and this is the polar form of complex number, and W can be written as capital R into e to the power I phi. Okay, this is the also polar form of complex number for W plane, and this is for Z plane. Now putting these values in equation 1, we can write R into e to the power I phi equals to 1 by R into e to the power I theta, 1 by R e to the power minus I theta. Okay, just this will become e to the power minus I theta by exponent formula. Capital R equals to can be written as 1 by R, and angle will be transformed to what? Minus theta. That means this is the inverse of R. 1 by R will be inverse, and angle will be what? Negative, opposite of another angle. That means this will be the reflection. That's the point in polar form R comma theta. Polar form point what was? R comma theta. R is the modulus, and theta will be what? Argument. Okay, in the Z plane, which will be mapped to another point P dash. What was? 1 by R comma minus theta. Okay, transform to this point, transform to another point in W plane. Hence the transformation is an inversion of Z. Inversion means inverse. Okay, 1 by R. R becomes 1 by R. Inversion of Z and followed by reflection onto the real axis. Okay, minus theta. This is the reflection. And the point inside the unit circle, this is the actual equation of circuit of in complex form. Z absolute value of Z equals to 1. Map onto another point outside it. The point outside the unit circle into 2 points inside it. Algebraically, you can write W equal to 1 by Z or Z equals to 1 by W. W equals Z equals to what? X plus IY. And W equals to U plus IB. X plus IY can be written as taking U minus IB in both numerator and denominator to make A plus B into A minus B formula. U square minus B square, because I square equal to what? Minus 1. Then X equals, you can take it, X equals to real part, Y equals to imaginary part, equating on real and imaginary part. U divided by this minus IY divided by this, IB divided by this. Okay. Then equating real and imaginary part. X equals to U divided by U square plus B square, and Y equals to minus B divided by U square plus B square. Let us consider the circle equation. You must know about the circle equation. X square plus Y square plus 2ZX plus 2FY plus C equals to 0 in Z plane. On substituting these values of X, Y in equation 1, this is the equation 1. Putting these values X and these values Y, we get the equation of circle in W plane, this. So this is the equation of the circle in W plane, and this shows that a circle in Z plane transformed to another circle in W plane, but a circle through origin transformed into straight line. Find the image of Z minus thrice I equal to 3. Actually, this is the circle, equation of circle in complex number. Under the mapping, W equals to 1 by Z. Okay. W equals to 1 by Z is given. Z equals to what? 1 by W. Find the image of Z minus 3I. This is the actual equation of circle in Z plane. Equal to 3 under the mapping, W equals to 1 by Z. Now solution, this is the given W equals to 1 by Z. From this we can write Z equals to 1 by W. But Z equals to what? X plus IY. Okay, complex number in Z plane. And in W plane, W equals to what? U plus IB. Similarly, you can take U minus IB in both numerator and denominator to make a formula A plus B into A minus B. That means U plus IB into U minus IB, U square plus B square. Now equating real part and imaginary part, X equals to U divided by U square plus B square, and Y equals to what will be? B divided by U square plus B square, but there will be a negative sign, minus. Now the given curve is Z minus thrice I equals to 3. Z equals to what? X plus IY, and thrice I given. And we can take a real part and imaginary part. Real part what? X. Okay. And imaginary part can be written as I into Y minus 3. Okay. And this is the absolute value. Okay. So argument what will be? X square plus Y square. Y means what? Y minus 3 whole square. Okay. 3 square equal to 9. Now on substituting these values of XY, these values of XY in this circle, this is the equation of circle in Cartesian form, and this is the circle in complex form or Z plane. Remember it. Okay, this is the circle in Cartesian form. Now on substituting the value of X and Y from equation 1 and 2, we can write X equals to U divided by U square plus B square whole square, and B equals to what? This minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. Now taking LCM, we can write U square plus B square whole square will be the common. Now by cross multiplication, we can write this. After calculation, we can write U square plus B square into 6B plus 1, where 6B plus 1 equals to 0 is the equation of the image. because u square plus b square can never be 0. Square of any values, sum of squares can never be 0. This is why this will be 0. Okay. So 6b plus 1 equals to 0 is the equation of the image. This is the required equation for image. Alternatively method, you can use another method for finding this. This is the circle equation of circle in complex number. Just putting value of z here. Okay, value of z. But w equals to u plus ib. Okay, similar process we can write. We can find the equation of circle. Another process, alternative process. You can use any process. I hope this is very easy for you. Similarly, example 9 you can solve, and example 10 also. Now from exercise 2 and 4 will be the homework for you. 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6 will be homework for you. And 8, note down please. And in next class we will try to understand this bilinear transformation or Mobius transformation. This will be the last part of conformal transformation.